Hello? The door was open. That door was open when I walked in here, but the room is pretty clean. It seems like it's new carpet. It has that new carpet smell to it. Looks pretty nice. The hotel that I'm staying in is off of Bonnie Brea and Olympic. This is only about a mile from the area I plan to explore today. It's sort of old and really not the best hotel. The courtyard was rough and badly manicured. The pool, it's seen its better days. This hotel is worn out for sure, but it looks like they're trying to renovate it a little bit. And because it was going through renovations, everything seemed to be closed or out of order. But the best thing about this hotel is that it's only located 2 miles from downtown LA. In here, let's turn up this AC real quick because it's in Celsius. Holy shit, I don't know how to rate Celsius. Let's put it to 18, see what happens. So it looks like it's been remodeled, and just a basic apartment is what it looks like. It's clean, so that's a plus. This hotel was $180 a night. If you're in LA, expect to pay those high prices, especially like on a Thursday and a Friday. So I've heard that this area is not the safest. This is Westlake area, and for a long time, there's been a lot of gang activity in the area and a lot of homeless, and of course with homeless there's people that are on drugs. So what I've done is I put on my gym outfit, and I knew I looked like a dork. I need some lotion, but I'm just trying to stay safe. I'm just going to carry a few of my things, some credit cards, and my license and my phone. That's about it. But just to give you a little background, Westlake has always been around since the 1800s, and back in the day it was a little marshland area with a natural spring, and eventually the city turned it into sort of like freshwater reservoirs to feed the then small city of LA. Actually, LA City decided to turn it into a park, and they built this grand park around the springs, and this park was super popular. I mean, people from all over the world came, mostly the rich. And at one point, it was so beautiful, they even called it the Little France of America. The area was kind of a rich area. You know, there was a lot of film producers and bankers and oil men in the area for a long time. And you can tell, I mean, the remnants of that era are still around, except that now these mansions have turned into apartments, and instead of really, really rich people, there's really let's say working class people. Back in the 80s, there was lots of Central American, Salvadorian immigrants. And now I'm not quite sure, but it's always been sort of a refuge for immigrant populations. Cool about the area is these houses. Some of these houses are from like the 1900s. They're all gated up. But take a look at that thing. Super crazy. Here's another one right next door. It's just like an old, I don't even know if that's a Victorian or what it is, but it's definitely early 1900s, late 1800s, probably haunted. The corner of 7th and Alvarado is the heart of Westlake. Across the street is the infamous MacArthur Park. If you don't know about MacArthur Park, Google it. It's a pretty rough area. Everything from rape, assault, and even homicide has happened here. It's gone through some renovation recently. It's a lot cleaner nowadays, and it seems pretty safe to enjoy a walk during the day, but I wouldn't come back here at night.
Or is he biting?
Now right across the street is the metro station. You can go anywhere in the city from here. Now the surrounding area has always had street vendors. And in the early 2000s, the city actually let people set up tents and get permits to sell. And that's what we're seeing here. But just a few steps away, there's a whole city block of street vendors. sell all sorts of stuff, anything you can think of. When I say anything, I mean anything. I love it though. It almost feels like a flea market in the middle of the city. $5, ¿no?
Sí, mi amor.
Ok, cool. Voy a agarrar este que está aquí. Se puede comprar lo que sea aquí, ¿verdad? Sí. Muchas gracias.
Ay, aquí
Buenas tardes.
una cámara, ¿ya está?
Sí, ando filmando por aquí. ¿Qué vende usted?
Igual, de todo.
Igual. ¿A cuánto vende estas?
20.
¿Me daría por 15? 15.
¿Le doy una?
Sí, por favor.
Una, papi. Está bonita su cámara.
Oh,
¿Dónde
gracias,
la
gracias.
consiguió?
En el internet, la venden en el internet.
¿En
Sí.
dónde?
En el website. En un
Oh,
website,
sí.
sí. Muchas gracias.
Ok, gracias.
I'll repeat that one more time. Everything. I eventually made it to Bonnie Bray and 6th and found a whole bunch of food vendors.
Okay.
So this felt a little different though. Almost like I was in another country.
Sí, por favor, póngale.
I love it.
Ese ahí.
Pollito también, por si quiere pollito.
No, creo que de vegetales. No, you know what, deme una de pollito también. Well, actually, le puede poner pollito a esa, no quiero agarrar mucho.
¿Esa es cámara?
Sí, es cámara. Sí. Sí, ando enseñando la comida guatemalteca.
¿Gusta mayonesa?
Con todo, por favor. Sí.
Dani,
Mande.
hágame el favor de echarle el agua. En el centro hay. Volada, mija, haga lo que usted quiera.
Bájeme una de mayonesa. La otra la quiere con lechuga.
Con todo lo que lleva. No sé qué lleve.
Quiere una de pollo, me dijo, ¿va?
Sí, por favor.
Entonces le voy a hacer una con pollo, con verduras y una con pollo para que pollo.
Están grandes. Iba a tratar de comer más comida aquí, pero creo que con eso ya me va a hacer mucho.
No es mucho.
No es mucho, ¿verdad? ¿Y qué es el vegetal? ¿Qué trae el vegetal?
Zanahoria, ejotes, alberja,
¿Alberja? ¿Cómo?
o chícharos, no sé cómo le llaman. Chícharos más, para que entiendas mejor.
Lo voy a buscar qué es un chícharo. No sé exactamente qué es un chícharo.
So Guatemalans call these an enchilada, and they're very similar to Mexican tostadas. The main ingredient in the vegetarian one is fava beans. It also had beets and carrots. Fucking delicious. The chicken was pretty good too.
Estilo guate, por favor. ¿Y qué es el estilo guate? ¿Qué es la diferencia?
Este lado es estilo guate.
Ah.
Este lado para acá es estilo americano.
¿Y qué es el...?
Porque lleva lechera.
Ah, ok. Todavía no le ponen lechera.
Eso es crema y azúcar.
Ahí vamos a ver cómo quedó ahí. Oh, le falta.
Ese es estilo americano. ¿Cuánto es de la empanada? Se va a comer un delicioso plátano guatemalteco.
All right. Me lo tiene ahí para tomarle una fotito ahí.
I ate really
Está
good,
bien.
then started walking
Muchas
back to my
gracias.
hotel with a full stomach and the sun setting in the background. And then this happened. I don't know if you saw that, but the small dude pulled a knife on the big dude. The big dude's friend told him to split. Big dude didn't want to leave, said, I don't need a fucking knife. You're lucky I don't have my clip. And that's all I had to hear. I was out. How about we go down an alley, which is probably not the thing to do, is go down a fucking alley in downtown LA when the sun's about to come down. But this seems like a pretty safe alley. I mean, I'm a pretty big guy. I mean, unless someone's bigger than me. I mean, they don't have to be bigger than me. They just have to have skill and believe in themselves. Yeah. Or a weapon. Hey, listen, guys, I'm still new to this. I'm still trying to figure it out, so just hang in there with me. We're going to figure it out together. If you like the videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. All right, catch you on the next one. Peace.